Alright, 2014 Subaru Outback in Legacy. So step one, go ahead and take out your CD, when the radio's unplugged. You don't want anything lost in there. So with your plastic pry tool, go ahead and start here in the bottom right corner. I found is easiest. Then don't use a metal one because you could scratch the surface if it's a customer's car. But you kind of go in here from the side. These corners are probably the most fragile part, but once you get there, just kind of work your way up and along the edge. One thing to note, if you don't have a plastic pry tool, you can always take like a flat edge with a cloth. That way you can avoid scraping the surface. And from here, let's go ahead and just work our way up and get this removed. And you just want to bring it out evenly. Seems like it's unclipped, no wires. Go ahead and pull that forward slowly. Next, grab your Phillips screwdriver. Now with that bezel removed, go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips screws holding it in. With those 2 screws removed, you can just pull this straight out. It does have 2 little clips, but there's just a little friction there. And those 2 clips can be seen here on the bottom, so it shouldn't give you too much of a hassle. Here on the back side of the climate, go ahead and push down on this tab. Pull that out of there. Same with this one here. Pull that out. And here's your part number if you have to replace your unit.